Want a smart, scannable business card? Here's how to make one for free using Canva and QR Code Monkey. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it really helps the channel grow. Thank you, and let's move on to the video. First, go to canva.com, search business card. Next, choose a template, landscape or vertical. Then, edit your name, logo, and business info. Next, customize colors and layouts as you like. Second step, visit grcodemonkey.com. Select vCard and enter your contact details. Customize colors and add your logo. Click Create QR code and download it as PNG. Final step, go back to Canva, upload the QR code and place it onto the back of the card. Add a label like Scan Me for contact info. And there you go. Now you have a sleek digital card with all your info in one QR scan. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.